Welcome. In this quick tutorial we are going to show you how to update TikTok on phone. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. Just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version. Make sure to watch the complete video and follow each step carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. First of all, you have to click on the Play Store of your phone. Now open the Play Store and right here TikTok update. You can see if there will be option here instead of open there is update. Click on that option, it means your TikTok app needs update, and if you see like this open it means your TikTok is already updated. Thank you so much. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel for more valuable content in the future. Your engagement is highly appreciated. I wish you very good luck. Thanks.